Hello, 6th grade. If you are watching this video, this means you are on step 3 of the decimal ladder. So I'm going to go through 2 problems because this step is a little bit harder, then you can try the rest on your own. So for number 1, first problem is 21 and 498 thousandths times 1 and 3/10. Remember, just like always, we line them up all the way to the right. We do not line up the decimal, just line up the numbers all the way to the right. All right. Now, before I multiply, I'm going to count the number of digits that I have behind the decimal in both numbers. So in this one, I have 3 digits, so I'm going to write 3D. This one, I have 1 digit, 1D. So here, I'll have 4 digits, 4D. Now I'm going to multiply. So first I'll start with my 3. I'm going to multiply 3 times the last number in our first number. 3 times 8, which is 24, carry the 2. 3 times 9, 27 plus 2, 29, carry the 2. 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, which is 4. Then 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, so now I've multiplied my 3 times every single number in my first number up top. So now I'm going to go down to the next line, put a 0 in the ones place, and then multiply using my second digit in this number. So then I'm going to multiply using my 1. So I'm going to do 1 times 8, which is 8. 1 times 9, which is 9. 1 times 4, which is 4. 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times 2, which is 2. So I did the exact same thing with my 1 that I did with my 3. The only difference in this line is that I added a 0 in the ones place. Now, the final step is I'm going to add it all up. 4 plus 9 is 13, 14, carry the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, 9, 7, 2. Now, I wrote this up here just because I wrote it down below the answer, but this should actually be down here, so it should say 4D right here. This means I need 4 digits behind the decimal in my answer, so I'll count, okay, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, right there. So it'll be 27.9474, or 27 and 9,474 10,000ths. Okay, now let's look at problem number 2. Problem number 2 is 492 and 1400ths times 82 thousandths. Remember, just line it up all the way to the right. Then I'm going to multiply, normally starting with my digit in the last place furthest to the right. 2 times 4, which is 8. Oh, I'm sorry, before I even start multiplying, I'll say how many digits I have in each number. So here I have 1, 2 digits. Here I have 1, 2, 3 digits. So in my answer, I'll have 5 digits. All right, so now I'll multiply normally, starting with my number furthest to the right in the second number. So 2 times 4, which is 8, and 2 times 1, which is 2, 2 times 2, which is 4, 2 times 9, which is 8, carry the 1, 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 1, which is 9. Now I'm going to go on and multiply with my second digit, which is the 8, but before I do that, I need to add a 0 in the ones place, and then I'll start over. So 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3, which is 11. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1, which is 17, carry the 1. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 1, which is 73. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 7, which is going to be 39. Then I'll add it all up. 8 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 15, carry the 1, 3 plus 9 is 13, carry the 1, 10, carry the 1, 4. Now I need 5 digits behind my decimal. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the decimal should go right between the 0 and the 3. So I have 40.35548. And that's your answer. All right, go ahead and try the rest of those on your own. And then the quiz on the back will determine whether you go on to the next step of the ladder for next week. Good luck.